So we're looking at question 268, missing number. Given an array containing n distinct numbers taken from 0 to n, find the one that is missing in the array. So it goes from 0 to 3 and 2 is missing, so the output would be 2. And in this case, it goes all the way from 0 to 9, and the number that's missing is 8, so you would output 8. There are a lot of ways of actually solving this. You could possibly sort the array and go through it one by one and see if the value in a particular index is as expected. If not, you could just return the one that's missing. Or there are other ways of doing that where you could do also where you could use extra space and try to figure out what the missing number is. But my approach that I really like is using the summation formula. So for people who don't really know, you can find out the sum from 1 to n using this formula. So for example, what is the sum of 1 and 2? So it would be 3, but if you use a formula, so it's 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, divided by 2, that's 3. So you can do that all the way up to obviously as many numbers as you want. So if you use that particular formula for this problem, you can use this formula to get the expected sum. We can actually add up all of the numbers in the array and subtract it to get the missing number. So in this case, the time complexity would be O of n, because you're going through every single element in the array, and then the space complexity would be O of 1 because you're not initializing any extra space. So let's get started. So let's initialize the sum as 0, and then int expected sum as so before we do that, let's figure out the length nums.dh. Cool. So it'll be n. Yeah, we'll just copy this formula right here. We'll paste it here. Okay. So for int I in nums, you would just add that is equal to I, and all the way in the end you would just return expected sum minus sum. And before that, let's just quickly take care of the edge cases. So if nums.length is equal to 0, or nums is equal to null, you would just return 0. Cool. So let's run this to see if there isn't a problem. Cool. The first test case is okay. Second test case, yeah, it passes, and it is a fast algorithm. So let me know if you have any questions. If you haven't seen this formula before, look it up. Summation of all the numbers up to n, and you should be good. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.